China frets of inflation. Alcoa misses on earnings, sending ripples of fear throughout the markets. Okay, let's take a look at the damage. Here's the Dow down 0.3%, the S&P down almost a full percent, the NASDAQ 1.3% negative, and the same for the Russells. A spike here, 4.8% on the VIX, staying below 19. So we're still quite low here on the VIX. The S&P breaks down. We got a lot to talk about here. We have a lower high, the lower low, broke through this trend line that I have that goes way back. And with that, we came down, challenged this trend line, my purple one right there, found some support there in my 11 EMA, probably even about the 13 and 14 EMA. It came right back up. We have a negative tick on the histogram here on the MACD. So that is a crossover that just took place, confirmed with that histogram negative tick. So we have a crossover here on the MACD. We have a lower high, lower low, big bearish day heading down. And let's pull in the spiders to get a beat on volume. I wanted to show you this. So you have this down day on a nice pop of nice negative volume. You can see a lot of people coming into play on this down move. So let's take a look at NASDAQ. Here's the NAS. We dropped down. We still have some trend lines here acting as support. Negative tick right there. We've had a few negative ticks on the NASDAQ. So this doesn't surprise me that the histogram is starting to grow. There it is. So gang, what are we expecting for tomorrow? Tomorrow, one of two things are going to happen. Either we're going to find support right here and come up. It wouldn't surprise me to see a candlestick from 1134 area to about 1142. I could see a candlestick right there between these two lines. But if we do break down, gang, I see a support area at 1125 to 1127 is where I see our support right there. And if we break that line, we'll have to talk about that, because that could get ugly and fast. Like I said at the beginning of this video, China coming out with information saying that they are fearing inflation coming in the future here. And the giant Alcoa missing earnings really sent some wary tones throughout the market, wondering how others will do. And some other news coming out. Wall Street is freakish because there's some talk here about the financials took a big hit today. Out of all the groups, financials took the biggest hit. And there's a potential government levy that could be placed on the banks, and that not bode too well for the financials. So this is a key time to be paying special attention to the markets and not let anything get by you, because this is where volatility should increase. We should start to see big movements in both directions, and usually that's what you see at times of either market tops or market bottoms. You get big choppy moves with a lot of volatility and an increase of volume. So let's see how things pan out here. And for everybody lucky enough to get a RSVP in for our free webinar for tonight, fantastic, looking forward to that. Make sure that you can make it. If you cannot make tonight's meeting and you have RSVP'd, I ask you to send me an email at admin@freetradingvideos.com. It's on the emails that you were sent when you RSVP'd. You just let us know that you can't make it. We'll open up your spot so others can come in and join us. So anyway, take care and happy trading to each and every one of you. Let's look forward to a big time, great 2010.